Hey y'all, my name's Kereisha and welcome to my channel, KereishaRN. Once again, y'all, my name is Kereisha and I am a new grad from a BSN nursing program and I am officially an RN. I did pass the NCLEX and this is my channel. I decided to make this channel to be a resource for other prospective nursing students, current nursing students, and new grads who are getting ready to take the NCLEX. I'll be posting content on how I prepared for the NCLEX and how I passed it, content on how to get into nursing school, classes you need to look into taking, how to find those prerequisites, as well as tips on how to survive nursing school. Because trust, when I say it is hard, it is a struggle. There are going to be breakdowns. You're going to study like you never studied before. So trust me when I say that nursing school is hard. So I'll be posting tips on how I personally survived. And also content on how I found a job as a new grad. I'll be working in a NICU locally here. And other content like that. Whatever you guys are open to seeing, just make sure you post your suggestions in the comments below. And I'll be reading through those and making content and hopefully posting every week. But I'm about to start a new job, so hopefully I can stay on every week, if not at least every 2 weeks. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and look out for my first video.